just hauling TV. Let's see what I got here on the trailer. Got some shite in the back. Always full, never empty. Got an old trailer frame. Got this box full of shite in here. I gotta go through one of these days. Copper and some goodies in there. Got a little lawnmower trailer. Snowblower. Garage door. Got the tow lights on there, because the lights on the trailer don't work. But it's all good. Got the lug nuts loosened off. Get to the scrapyard, keep those wheels, good for a spare. And yeah, she's got the magical redneck flick. That ain't going nowhere, bud. That ain't going nowhere. I've already been down lots of bumpy roads. That one's a little loose, but I'll tighten that up. Here, give it a little flick again. You hear that sound? It's not going nowhere, bud. Took the chains off the trailer because they were still good chains. Show you them here quick. Some on the tongue. Already taking them off. They're right here. Friggin' underneath my tools here. Ba-boom. Free perfectly good chains off the trailer. So boom. There it is, hauling TV, bud. Well, it's just hauling TV. This house is coming down tomorrow. Just got some cake and some metal, some aluminum. I'm gonna come back tomorrow for that stuff. Stripped off the siding. I got the antenna. All the stuff off of here, the siding, the windows fall out. Oh yeah. So yeah, got another little pile here. Hot water tank in the basement, gonna get it in the morning. Couple windows there that are just want to be stubborn to get out. And yeah, just some pure cheddar. There ain't nothing better. Well, it's just hauling TV. Pepsi. Got some pure goods in here, bud. Get that cheddar. There ain't nothing better. Gonna keep that because apparently it works. Just don't want it no more. Water tanks. Just hauling, bud. Well, it's just hauling TV. And I got a pretty big load here. Had someone else loaded with me, so I don't really know where they threw everything, but got an electric motor there, got a cord, got some aluminum on there maybe, on that. No, maybe not. But yeah, air conditioner, water tank, another air conditioner. picked up this off the side of the road on the way home. An axle. It's like 6 or 7 steel beams in there, all different sizes. Just some pure goods, bud. Hey, buddy. Number 1 wire, some transformers, some cast aluminum, telecom wire, extension cords, aluminum siding. Number 1 copper, dirty brass, aluminum extrusion. Number 2 copper, aluminum, electronics. Strap this load down, probably smash that transformer off, and probably get $70.
What we got? 1, 2 high hose. This is the road right here. That one that was in here, that was on rent. Imagine how many fucking washers and dryers I could tear apart around in here in a day. Doing that fucking thing or crunch.
PC, you sniffing the carpet. Dirt up your friggin' little nose. Get into your friggin' brain. Not good. Especially since you don't need it.